This 2018 Winnebago View 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, oven, skylight, slide-out, microwave, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2018 Winnebago View 24J is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.